in order to implement Google Consent Mode on your website using WPLP compliance platform. First, you need to install and activate WP Cookie Consent plugin. And for that, go to your WordPress admin dashboard and click on plugins, then click on add new plugin. Now here search for WP Cookie Consent. And when you find this plugin, click on install now. Then click activate. After activating the plugin, navigate to Cookie Consent, Cookie Settings, and under Compliance tab, enable Support Google Consent Mode toggle. Here you will see default consent settings. By default, it has a single row with default settings of denied being applied to all regions. Click on plus new region button to add a new row. This will open a pop-up. Here you can set defaults values of all 7 parameters. Under regions, by specifying all, consent will get applied to all regions. You can specify a comma-separated list of regions ISO codes to apply consent to specific regions. Then click on Done. Here you can edit or delete default values for consent. You need at least one entry for Google Consent Mode to work. Now you can set the subsequent parameter to your desired values. Once you're done, click Save Changes. Now you need to install Google Tag Manager on your website. If you have already installed it using any other way, kindly remove or disable it in order for Google Consent Mode to work properly. Now go to your Google Tag Manager console and navigate to Admin tab. Click on Install Google Tag Manager and you will see 2 scripts. Copy the header script and navigate to the Script Blocker tab under Cookie Settings. Now, paste the script in the header script section. Now repeat this for the body script. Copy the body script and paste it under body scripts. And with that, your Google Consent Mode setup is done for advanced mode. To verify if your setup is working fine, open Google Tag Assistant and click on Add Domain button. Enter your website URL and click Connect. A new tab with your website opens. In your Tag Assistant console, you will see a default consent event. This is the default values being set that you specified in your plugin dashboard. You will see additional set events, which are the extra parameters being set to desired values. Now, on your website, open the cookie banner and accept desired parameters. We have mapped the 7 Google Consent Mode parameters as shown in this table. Now, when you come back to your Tag Assistant console, you will see a new Update Consent event. This will set the parameters according to your consent. And with that, your Google Consent Mode advanced setup is done. Now, to set your Google Consent Mode in basic mode, enable the Script Blocker toggle and click on Save Changes. Navigate back to Tag Assistant and reopen the site that you added. This time your Tag Manager will not be able to connect to your website until the user interacts with the banner and provides consent. Once the user gives the consent, you will be able to see the events in your Tag Assistant console. This time consent update event occurs after the set events, and then only the rest of the events occur, because basic mode blocks all the scripts until the consent is given. Now, you can also check if your Google Consent Mode setup is correctly implemented or not from the WP Cookie Consent plugin dashboard. And for that, navigate back to the dashboard and open Compliances tab inside Cookie Settings. Here, scroll down and you will see Enable Debug Mode and Check GCM Status button. Click on the Check GCM Status button. It will now scan your website to check if everything is correctly implemented or not and will generate a report. If you see no errors detected, it means everything is working fine. Otherwise, you will see a set of errors for which you can then open the documentation link below to understand the errors and know the steps to debug them.
Now, when you scan your website for GCM status, you will also receive an email about the scan results on your account that you have connected with your website. The email will notify you about the status of your GCM implementation and the error in it.
You can also enable the debug mode to verify your implementation. When enabled, your browser console will display the GCM default status, update status, and whether default consent was set in correct order. Enable the toggle and click on Save Changes. Now open your website and right-click to open the Inspect mode. And then go to the Console tab. Here you will see the default consent and if it was set in correct order. You will also see updated consent upon interaction with the banner. Finally, we have one more feature which is the Advertiser Consent mode, which is a pro feature and you will only be able to enable it if you have purchased a pro subscription of WP-LB compliance platform and IAB TCF version 2.0 is enabled on your website. Once you enable it, now your GCM consent categories will be handled via the IAB purposes as shown in this table. So that was the entire implementation of Google Consent Mode using WP-LP compliance platform.